Get acquainted with the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, backup camera, dual zone AC, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth connection. Everyone loves the strong silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.